Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need the emoji keyboard enabled. Once it's on, open any app with a text field. In Settings, go to General then Keyboard, tap Keyboards and add New Keyboard, choose Emoji. Now return to Messages or Notes, tap the globe or smile icon next to the spacebar to open the Emoji panel. Make sure you're using the iPhone keyboard, not a third-party one, because emoji access differs. Once the panel appears, you're ready to browse categories and start selecting icons. Once the emoji panel is open, navigate the category bar at the bottom or swipe left and right to scan groups, people, nature, food, symbols. If you want a specific emoji, tap the magnifying glass and type a keyword. Search returns matching emoji instantly. To adjust appearance, long press on human emoji to pick skin tones. Tap an emoji to place it in the text field. You can mix emoji with words. Make sure to preview how it looks, then tap Send or the app's return key to deliver it. To finish, check the predictive bar above the keyboard. iOS often suggests emoji based on your words. Tap a suggestion to replace text quickly. For repeated combos, set a text replacement in Settings right arrow General right arrow Keyboard right arrow text replacement. Type a shortcut and insert multiple emoji with one tap. If emoji disappear or the globe icon is missing, go back to Keyboards and re-add emoji or toggle the keyboard off and on. As a final troubleshooting tip, restart your iPhone if problems persist. That clears transient bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.